Welcome back to Ex-Hanky Lifestyle. Today we're going to be making pizza for this week's video. There's your ingredients: garlic, onion, cheese, very basic pizza, and a little bit of sauce. We'll see that later. We're using a tortilla base for these, so you don't need to make your own bases, although you could if you like. Tortilla is pretty cheap and easy way to get a pizza base, so go for that. First of all, we'll dice the onions. You can do this however you like. I prefer to dice my onions a little bit fine, but do what you feel. Next is the garlic. Garlic's an absolutely critical ingredient, and as I said before, you can't have too much garlic. It's healthy, it's good for you, and it tastes great. So I tend to what I'll do is I cut the garlic very finely, and then I will usually put that with the onion, and I'll spread it across the pizza with the onion. Look at me go there, that's some pretty good dicing. I'm just making this, by the way, with stuff I had in the fridge, so you can make a pizza with anything, there's no rules here. A little bit of salami. Not too much. You just need a little bit to add a little bit of flavour, a little bit of, I like to call it bite to the pizza. So I just slice this a little bit fine as well. There we go. There are 3 magic ingredients. I like to prepare when I'm making a pizza. I like to prepare everything up front, and then it just makes the process of making the pizza quite easy. I've got some diced Italian tomatoes here for the base. You could use tomato paste, you could make your own tomato paste, you could use tin tomatoes, whatever you like. I had some tin tomatoes in the cupboard this morning, and they were Italian. I like the sound of that, so I'm going to try that out. So spread the tortillas out on the baking tray. I've maximised use of space there, as you can see, by splitting one of the old tortillas in half. And now I'll get stuck in, open the tin, and I just like to spread this across the base of the tortillas. Like I said, traditionally you would probably use a real tomato paste, but this is a bit of a life hack, so I'm just using what I have in the cupboard. And tin tomatoes are super cheap, and they're very plentiful. You can get them anywhere, all time of the year. So try and spread it to the edge. It's a little bit difficult with tin tomatoes because they're a little bit more fluid than your tomato paste. This isn't really a paste, although what you find is as you cook it, it will reduce down, and it's a little bit more manageable when you come to eating it. So don't worry too much about that. Cooking's about what you feel, not about what you do necessarily. Okay, so I don't know, I've always been thinking about the order of these, but at the end of the day I just put them however I feel as well. So going from left to right there, I'm just starting off with the onion garlic mixture, spreading those across the pizza liberally. The onions will cook and soften up when you cook them, and they taste great on a pizza, I find. A little bit of salami now. And you see that the special magic ingredient there? That there is some roast chicken that I made last night. So, you can use anything on these, like I say, and they're a great way to get rid of food that you've got in the fridge from yesterday. Use some leftovers. And this roast chicken will taste great on here, I'm sure. So I've got a bit of a choice here. I've got some salami on a couple of pieces, and I've got some chicken on a couple of pizzas. So, it gives a little bit of variety as well. Okay, now a little bit of cheese. Try and spread the cheese out as much as you can to get to the sides, edges of the pizza. That'll melt down on the rest of the ingredients there and hold them together so that you're not gonna fall off when you're eating them. By the way, I don't guarantee that. They might fall off, you never know. So with these ingredients, I can make, like here, this is basically 3 pizzas. I think it's probably enough there. I might make another 3 after this. So It's a good way to use up your spare ingredients, as I say. Now jazz them up with a little bit of sauce. I got some barbecue sauce here, bit of a barbecue sauce swirl on half the pizzas, and I've also got some sweet Thai chili sauce. I thought that might go quite well with the chicken pizza, so we'll give that a go too. Easy done. And there they are, in the oven, 160 to 180 for 20 minutes, and you'll have pizza that looks like this, hopefully. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We are uploading food videos on the Ex Hanky Lifestyle channel every week. Looking forward to your likes and your comments. Thank you for your time.